Changing the key fob battery in a 2019 Nissan Versa. This is pretty straightforward. The key fob is built into the key. It's all one thing. It simply has one small Phillips screw here, and then if you note, there's a little pry opening to open up the case. So this is a Phillips 1. I recommend a screwdriver like this versus one of these kits that you might see like that. These are too skinny to get any kind of leverage. This kit had tons of bits, like maybe $5. So it's a good investment if you do anything like this, even more than once. So you unscrew the screw. Careful not to lose it, put it somewhere safe. I'm going to change the bit to a flat bit to pry the key case open. Again, remember, a little gap there, put the flat end. Give it a little twist. And a little extra help there. Then you should be able to open up the rest with your fingers. Don't have to worry, nothing's going to go flying out. Not normally. Takes one CR1620 battery. Note the placement, the bottom is facing out. You take your flat head again, pry it out. Oops, there we go. 1620. And put a new battery in, just reverse the steps. Put it face down and place like so. And then squeeze the case back together until it's all back sealed up nicely. Switch the bit back. Drop the screw in. This is the hardest part. Screw it back down tightly, but not too tight. You don't want to strip the screw. Just a gentle tightness. That's it.